right, hey, what's going on? This is Dan Keller, mortgage advisor and branch manager at Guild Mortgage. I'm really excited that you're watching this video right now because it can only mean one thing. It means that you're getting started to begin the mortgage pre-approval process, and we're super excited to help navigate you through that process. I understand some of the emotions that you're feeling right now. We help hundreds of home buyers a year purchase a home. I've seen all of these emotions that you'll not only feel right now, but throughout the process. And I want you to know that I have a professional team of mortgage experts that will help navigate you through this process, but help answer any questions as they arise. What I want to explain here in the next 1 to 2 minutes to you is to set some clear expectations on what you can expect next. You know, I learned a long time ago, early on in my career, that you only get one chance to set clear expectations. And I want to take this opportunity right now so that you really understand what's going to take place in the next few days and then throughout the process of attaining a home loan. I don't mean to scare you when I say this, but right now in today's market, it's tougher than ever to attain a home loan. If it were easy, I wouldn't have a job, clearly. And I want to kind of share some of the ins and outs of the process with you so that you understand what you can do to help us better assist you along the way. The first thing that I want you to do, down below this video, you're going to see 2 steps. The first step is for you to complete our secure online client intake form. This is where we gather necessary information from you so that we can pull your credit, so that we can import your data correctly into our system that will help us down the road issue a clear loan approval. The second thing I want you to do, which is step 2, is I want you to take a moment and review my client mortgage concierge packet. Now what this packet is, it's about a 16-page packet that I wrote about 4 years ago. It's probably one of the most valuable things that I've ever created in my career. It's a playbook. It's a playbook for you to understand not only more information about the mortgage approval process, but the ins and outs of managing your mortgage, both now and then after we fund your loan. It's important that you understand your options. So after you fill out the online application, after you review my mortgage concierge packet, you're going to be requested to submit some financial documents to us. I've given you a list in the email that I sent to you, as well as on page 5 in the mortgage concierge packet. Gather those items. Make sure you pay close attention to each and every one of the items requested. Once we have a chance to review those, we will issue you a loan pre-approval. After we issue you a loan pre-approval, we are going to continue the process and submit you for an upfront complete underwrite. Now what that does at most banks and credit unions, they will just give you a pre-qual or a pre-approval. That's not an accurate assessment of your ability to qualify for a loan. That's kind of like a preliminary thumbs up. I take it a step further and get you a full credit underwrite. So when you're negotiating on a home, in the event that you were to need to waive your financing or really negotiate at the highest level, a full underwrite gives the seller and the listing agent confidence that your loan will close and will close on time. Plus, it allows us to expedite an early closing. So if you have any questions throughout the process, I want you to know that you can reach out to both me or one of my team members at any time. Now, speaking of my team, this is an opportunity for me to really showcase my team of professionals. First thing that's going to happen in the next 24 hours is Jason Hoskins is going to reach out to you. He's my loan partner, and he is your main point of contact from applying for a home loan until you get your offer accepted. Both Jason and I are going to work on budgeting information. We're going to work on dialing in your mortgage pre-approval until you make an offer on a house. So Jason's number one role is so that when you're offering on a house, you understand clearly what your down payment will be, what your monthly payment will be, and you feel comfortable making that offer. Once your offer is accepted, you're going to hear from my production partner, Dan Dietrich. Dan Dietrich works directly with our loan processor and our underwriter to navigate you from mutual acceptance all the way into closing. I have a great team of experts. These guys are very, very intelligent. They've got years of experience, and together we look forward to navigating you through the home loan process. My number one goal in closing is to exceed your expectations. In the end, I want to take you from client to to raving fans advocate of the Dan Keller team here at Guild Mortgage. So if you have any questions, let us know, and we look forward to walking you through the mortgage pre-approval process and getting you into a new home.